Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to DIY cell earring. Now cell earrings are very in and trending nowadays. So I decided to make it myself, and you can see already I'm wearing one and there's many more in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the first earring, you need some cells and a pair of hoop. Now these are open hoops, as you can see. Now these cells already have holes in them, but if not, you can definitely make holes through them according to the size of your hoop and then start inserting them as shown in the video. And then just repeat the same thing with the other hoop as well. This is how the earring turned out, as you can see. And this is how it looks on me. It is very cute. For the second earring, you need needle and thread, some flat shells, a pair of hoop and a fabric glue. Now insert a long thread through the needle and then leave it aside. Then move on to the hoops and apply glue as shown in the video. Now wrap around the thread few times over the glue and let it dry. This is how the hoop looks after drying. Now we need some flat shells and some pearls. Now sorry, I forgot to mention it before. We need pearls as well, and then we'll start sewing them. Now I'll add a shell and then a pearl and again repeat the same thing as shown in the video. Once the diameter of the hoop is filled with shells and pearls, now we'll apply a little amount of glue again on the hoop and then start wrapping the thread tightly and then cut the thread and allow it to dry, and yeah, that's it. This is how the second earring turned out. And this is how it looks on me. Now this looks very Insta friendly and this looks really very stylish at the same time. For the third earring, you need some cells, a fabric glue and some broken studs. Now apply generous amount of fabric glue onto the stud and then stick on the shell and then repeat the same thing with the other stud. This is how the third earring turned out, very simple and yet cute. and this is how it looks on me. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.